class 4th A, class 4th A. Subject GSC, date 30/9/2020. We are studying the lesson 12, three states of matter. Lesson 12, three states of matter. Three states of matter. Lesson 12, three states of matter. So you open page number 70. Page number 70. Three states of matter. We are reading this lesson. So we studied about the pre-reading questions yesterday, and in pre-reading questions we studied look around you, name few things that occupy space and have weight. Have you seen an inflated balloon? What is it filled with? Look at the pictures given. What are they made up of? Also told about the aim to enable the students to able to understand the concept of matter, to able to identify different states of matter, understand the terms solute, solvent and solution. We are studying, I told you about the matter, anything that have mass and occupies space is called as matter. We see the table, it is a matter. Chair is a matter. So many examples of the matter. Anything what you see having the mass and occupy the space, all the things are the matter. The matters are made up of smaller particles. These smaller particles are called as the molecules. And molecules, so you see here, last time we discussed what is the matter. This matter is made up of small particles, and these are particles are the molecules. And molecules are made up of more minute particles, and these are called as the atoms. These are called as the atoms, and atoms are also made up of electron, protons and neutrons. So here we are studying that these are the smallest particle, and so many atoms form the molecules, and so many molecules form the matter. Matter exists in three states. We are studying the states of the matter. Matter exists in three states. One is solid, other state is the liquid, and next will be gas. So three states of matter: solid, liquid, and the gas. So we are reading this. Matter is anything that has weight or mass and occupies space. Everything around us is made up of matter: stone, wood, milk, water, petrol, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and smokes are some examples of matter. All matter is made up of very tiny particles. All the matter is made up of very tiny particles called as the molecules. Molecules are so tiny that they cannot be seen by the naked eyes. Molecules are so tiny that they cannot be seen by the naked eyes. Molecules are made up of still smaller particles called as the atoms. So molecules are made up of still smaller particles called atoms. Atoms are the smallest thing that can be identified as a material. So atoms, these are the smallest thing. These are the smallest thing, and these smallest things forms little more big thing that is called the molecules, and molecules form the biggest thing. These are called the matters. So this is the smallest one, and this is the biggest one. So as a whole, all materials are called matter. As a whole, all materials are called matter. Matter exists in three states. Matter exists in three states. These states are solids, liquids, and gases. So we have to discuss one by one. First, solid. Example is solid. A solid has a certain size. A solid has a certain size and shape. In solids, the molecules are very close to each other. In the solids, the molecules are close to each other. Suppose this is solid. Solid. Molecules are very close to each other. These are the molecules. Molecules are very close to each other. These are the molecules, and these molecules are very close to each other. In solid, the molecules are very close to each other. They are closely packed. They are closely packed. That is why solids are hard and rigid. This is the reason why solids are rigid and hard, because the molecules of solids are very close to each other. Since the molecules of solids are very close to each other, that is why the solids are rigid. They have different shape. They have different shape, occupy different space and different volume. Computer, desk, and a floor are some examples of the solids. So these are few examples of the solids. Now next one is that is called liquid. We are converted to liquid, that is the water, petrol, fruit juice, oil, etc. These are examples of the liquid. A liquid has a size or volume. Size of volume means suppose 1 liter of water, 1 liter of milk. This is the volume. Volume makes it takes up space. In liquid, the molecules are less closely packed. They are not very closely packed, but they are in the liquid. They are not very closely packed. They are not very closely packed. Little they are away from each other. They are not very closely packed. So in this way, these are very closely packed. These are not very closely packed. The liquids. In liquids, the molecules are less closely packed. They can move around little but not too much. That is why liquids are not hard and flow easily, and so are called fluids. The liquids have different volume but no different shape. 1 liter of water, so means volume of the water is 1 liter. So volume is constant, but if this 1 liter of water is kept in a rectangular vessels, the shape of the water will be rectangular. If the circular vessels, the shape of water will be circular. Liquids take the shape of the container in which they are kept. So liquids have different volume but no different shape. Liquids take the shape of the container. They are poured in. Water, milk, petrol, kerosene and juices are some examples of the liquids. Thank you. That's for today.